Hi, I'm Janet Nepales for Pacific Rim, and we are here in the Manny Pacquiao after victory party, and we have Marco Sison who's opening the show tonight. Marco, tell us about Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao? Manny Pacquiao is something else. I was there in the fight. Tapos we did a show, in the after party show, and a lot of people came, and it was really something else. I can't describe it. Talagang I was very proud to be a Filipino. Up to now, actually, high na high pa rin ako. I'm sure lalo na yung mga Pilipino, the Filipino-Americans and all our kababayans in the Philippines. Right now, I'm also singing for his LA party. So he's up in his room right now resting. I just came from there. Medyo maayos na yung itsura na. Sabi ko nga, make-upan ko na lang siya kasi meron siyang black eye. Kasi nagiging black eye pala yun pagka ganon.
What do you think is the secret of Manny Pacquiao? First, he has around 12, and then he goes to Mandalay and then performs with his band.
Manny Pacquiao is physically gifted actually. He's siguro i-compare natin sa ordinary person, siguro ang lamang niya doon sa lakas ng katawan is about 50% more. So he's gifted, he's talented, he knows his place. Pinaka-importante yun kasi matalino siya. Lalo na pag nasa ring, matalino siya. Maandar yung katalinuhan. At sabi ko nga, saan kayo makakakita ng isang boxer na nakatatapos lang ng laban, 12 rounds, 12 full rounds, tapos nag-concert. Tinanong ko nga siya on stage kung ano sumasakit sa kanya after the fight, nasa stage kami, kumakanta kami. Sabi ko, di ba sumasakit yung tenga mo or yung mata mo kasi para siya may tama din. Sabi niya, hindi, yung tiyan ko sumasakit. Sabi ko, kasi pasuntok ka ng pasuntok eh. Pero he did a good job. Tsaka alam naman natin, napakahiling nung mama sa kantahan. Kaya ganun. So kami naman, support lang kami nila Martin, ng ibang artist, sila Tears Across the Third. We were so happy for him.
And there were other celebrities din doon, Hollywood celebrities. Sila Mark Wahlberg, si Will Ferrell. Did you guys also meet some of the Hollywood celebrities there?
No, I wasn't able to do that kasi ako talagang nakafocus lang ako dun sa, alam mo na, suporta. Kasi, alam mo to, yung nervyos na inabot ko nung fight na yun, every time naman may fight siya, hindi ko yun nararamdaman before singing, bago kumanta. Pero yung nervyos na inaabot ko bago siya magboxing, ibang klase yun. Siguro lahat naman tayo ganon. So, yun nga, once again, we're all very proud to be a Filipino at saka the only boxer to achieve 7 division titles. Talagang history. And I'm so glad that I'm part of it.
One of the things that impresses me with Manny is before he starts a round, he always does the sign of the cross. You know, his faith is really strong. Did you think that played a part also in his victory?
Malaking part yun kasi nakakaiyak nga eh dahil hindi siya nakakalimot. Siguro doon talaga malaking may kinalaman yun sa kanyang paglalaro. Before and after nakikita naman natin sa every round nagsa-sign of the cross. Napakagandang ano yun kasi kultura naman natin Pilipino yun na tayo madasalin. Kaya yung mga kababayan nating iba nai-inspire, pati nga ako nai-inspire. Tapos every time mananalo siya, doon lang siya sa corner, tapos doon siya umiiyak for a while. Nakakatuwa. Actually, iba klase talaga. Ibang klase talaga yung Manny Pacquiao.
Thank you very much, Marco. And we'll watch you later.